Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track your refund status on TaxAct. At first, open your web browser and search for TaxAct refund status. Tap here to open the page. Make sure you're on the official TaxAct website. On the status page, you have to enter some personal information. First, enter the tax you want to checking. Next, choose your tax return type. Then enter your last name exactly as it appears on your return and your zip code. Finally, enter your SSN. Take your time here and double-check your information. Once everything is done, tap on this to check your e-file status. After a brief moment, you should see two outcomes. If your return shows as accepted, that means that government has received it and cleared the initial checks. If it shows as rejected, that means something in the initial submission didn't pass. If you don't show a result yet, it may simply be too soon. Electronic submissions can take some time to appear. Give it a time and try again later. So, that was all. Thanks for watching.